Welcome to this user guide that will show you how to take advantage of all the features of your Wi-Fi Pro service, features that offer your business end-to-end performance, protection, and coverage. In this video, you'll learn how to check your network integrity using artificial intelligence technology. This advanced feature helps identify and resolve potential issues related to the health of your network and its equipment. Step 1. Understanding how the AI information dashboard works.
Let's start by analyzing the health of the network in general. So the first thing to check is the integrity of the WAN. Check if the network is functional. By default, it will allow you to search for your site where your Wi-Fi equipment is installed. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll connect to Prod Home. You'll get a quick overview of information about your entire network. For example, is your connectivity active or inactive? Here, you'll notice that the wired connectivity has been in blue for the last 24 hours, which means that everything seems to be in order. You'll also notice that there is an inactive connectivity, your LTE backup connectivity, the one connected to Videotron Business guaranteed internet service. This gives you the opportunity to check if it has taken over in the event of an internet outage. And finally, you have access to your portal. There you can see that you had at least one of the two connections that was functional at all times. Of course, the connection is at 50% by default because the backup network is disabled. Next, you can analyze your bandwidth traffic, or what is being used on your network. This allows you to observe the incoming-outgoing traffic as well as identify any connectivity issues. Was the network saturated or not?
Step 2. Accessing AI information via access point.
Next, let's move on to the highly relevant AI information that allows you to identify issues on your network and see, in a precise way, what is affected. Here, you'll find the sources of the issue you encountered. For example, you'll find out why you had a high transmission time of 2.4 GHz band, which influences the wireless category. You can evaluate the relevant channels of the radio signal and obtain technical data. You can also search for the affected access points. Here, access point 635, for example.
Step 3. Verifying affected devices and servers.
Now, let's look at the customer devices that are affected. We can see an Amazon device, a thermostat, an Android phone, and the number of minutes. We can also see the radio frequency channels that indicate the signal. Thanks to AI, they will adjust automatically. Here, we move on to new observations that will make it possible to identify the errors that are found either on the servers, the access points, or at the affected customers. We could stop here, but it's interesting to look at the integrity of the site where, among other things, it is possible to identify the devices connected to your access points. So, currently at the branch, there are 37 wireless customers and 18 wired customers. There are also more than 50 connected devices. Is this within the norm? You can then check if there is a need to change the configuration. Have there been any changes in the router configuration here? No change. So you know that there have been no changes that have resulted in connectivity failures. In inactive devices, you also have the option to check if there are any issues with the equipment. Here, as you can see, everything looks good.
And that's the end of our overview of the AI Network Integrated Tool, a Wi-Fi Pro Service advanced feature. Learn more about your Wi-Fi Pro Service features and maximize their benefits. We invite you to watch our other tutorials available on the Videotron Business support site in the Wi-Fi Pro Internet section. Thank you for your time. See you soon.